Guys, Tom at TPC Racing here. Happy 4th of July weekend. So I'm holding in my hand a new PFC box that just arrived. In this box is the new caliper design we've been waiting for. So let's have a look here. This is a new caliper that is specifically made for our bolt-on kits for the 405mm front and the 380 rear, and these are special because they are direct bolt-on fit for GT2RS and GT3RS with Weissach Package Magnesium wheels, and also fits BBS FIR wheels. The special radius is machined here to clear those specific wheels. I mean, just look at this caliper. It's amazing. It's lightweight, it's beautiful, titanium ventilated piston caps, and this is made specifically for the Porsche applications and requires no spacers. So it is a direct fit, and you can see the machine work here. It's for weight reduction. Everything is optimized. Bridge for rigidity, and it's even tubeless. Typically a caliper has a flow tube that goes across. This is a true monoblock design with internal passages that are built in. So